Hello YouTube, today I'll show you how to make an origami drinking cup. So, take a piece of paper, just like this, fold it over like this. Then this part, this middle, fold it up to this. This one, this flap, fold it up to about like this. And here too. Just like this. Okay. Then you're gonna open this and then make it up to the line. Make this up to the line. Then this flap, these two flaps, fold one down like this, and fold another one like this. Then from the middle here, open it up, find the edges a bit, and here you go. You have a drinking cup you can put things in. So, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Check out my other videos. This can also be decorated. So, thanks for watching.